Hello everybody, welcome to the web version of PlanningPME. Today I will show you how to use the custom field geolocation. So we are now on the agenda view for the month of September, and as you can see here we have a list of tasks. I will, for example, double click on maintenance and open this task. As I go down, you can see here I have the possibility to clock in. Just as a piece of information, I wanted to let you know that I already pre-created the geolocation custom field. So that's why the clock in mode appears here. I will now click on the small logo. I will press now yes, and as you can see now, I've just clocking on the 9th of September at almost 2 p.m. I will now save this information, and as you can see now, the small logo also appears here. If I reopen this task by double-clicking here, I will go down again, I will click again on the small logo, and it will open precisely the place I'm staying in right now. I will now go back to our schedule. And as a piece of information, again, if you want to create the custom field, just like I did, you will have to go to the menu Data, then choose Custom Field. This is the custom field I pre-created. You will have to choose the destination, the type, which is in this case geolocation. You will have to give a name to the field and also a label. And please do not forget to tickle the box clocking mode. So thank you for your attention and see you soon for new videos.